that may not be within the assignment because it is arising out of the OMNC case. Cancellation is granted under the OMNC case. So cannot be this item number is there. Let us restate it. I might have reached it. CRLA recommended by 24. I have failed.
I mean, pardon to make a mention of application of the year 2011 the revision order under the OE Act is under challenge.
Is a criminal appeal or bail. I earlier assignment directed to register, but it has not been registered. That's not sure.
Lots of pardon to make a mention. I am in the judicial custody more than 13 years and
Pardon to mention if the matter relates to compensation under land acquisition act.
Please.
pardon to make 13 years for 30 minutes.
13 years for 30 minutes.
I am particular custody since last 13 years now. Earlier I have filed a memo that will be
both husband and wife were convicted. Now, husband suffered from cardiac arrest as well brain stroke in hospital. I'm filing application interim bail from wife. It's likely to open heart surgery. It's likely to
Face admission?
face admission land.
Pardon. Notification 1390/2025 has challenged order on tribunal now. Face admission matter. Another matter, notification number 126,004/2022. This request is before mail for second time. OA is of 12 miles. Give it.
Supplemental list. Item number 1.
Prisoners may not belong to displaced families of the Kasbah irrigation project. There are about 515 families as enumerated, and money has been dispersed with earlier it was for rehabilitation, is for land and cash. Thereafter, government decided adequate land is not available, so only cash is to be given. The amount of money has been deposited with the authorities, and out of that, 176 families have been paid. Balance 339 families have not been paid, for which representation in annexure 8 series and 9 series has been pending with the 8 series pending with the government. Proof for list submitted by annexure page 4, page
Which is the latest representation?
Latest representation is prior to the page 56.
Of this old 2004, I tell us the latest one.
Last annexure, page 1990.
1990.
Starts with 93, that is in 2020, and the rich application is filed in 21.
19 receipt, postal receipt shows is a 19. Postal receipt shows is a 19.
19.
Because the writ application was filed in 2021, dismissed once, none appears on other occasions, so that is why.
Who is to dispose it of?
The principal secretary to government, principal secretary to government
is the opposite party number.
Opposite party water resources.
One thing I pray, I'll take instruction this
Might have it
the second round.
The Land Council, the petition has been filed by the petitioner for a direction to the opposite party to release the compensation amount with interest to the displaced families of Shansha Bahal irrigation project belonging to village so and so Chipperel. And for the direction to extend other benefits as per rehabilitation policy which was formulated by the government of Orissa Department of Irrigation as per resolution dated 21st August 1990 by Daneshwar 1. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that several representations have been filed from time to time, and the latest representation which he has annexed to the petition as annexure 9 series,
8 series. 8 series.
9 maybe, 8 series.
8 series, the last term.
8 series is dated 25/11/2019, page 90.
93.
Hello,
Right.
is which was inter alia submitted to main किया पर दरकार थी.
Secretary Water Resources. Now irrigation has become water resources.
कितने number
And OP number 2.
opposite party number 2. So, but no response has been received from the said opposite party, and the petitioner has not also received any compensation. The running counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction in the matter. More specifically, whether any order has been passed on the representation filed under annexure 8 series dated so and so. Put up this matter into the commencing from 17th of February 2025.
Item 2. Item 2, may I please your lordship?
Second article for OP number 2. Lordship connected matter. That is 27/505/24. Already
Just a minute. Connected matter is 27
505
505 of
2024.
2024.
Is acting in that case.
Okay. So what order was passed?
That was passed. I will file a counter. I have already filed my counter there. I also
It
similar
is
matter.
to be tagged to that
My
case.
lord, that I will also
And
file.
what order was passed? Let us change
Fine.
for.
Fine.
Have you got a copy of that? Like, the
Matter is regarding the payment of the compensation towards the structure unit. There are also similar matters, your lordship, which
जोड़ा दीजिए दीजिए एक कड़ी पड़े छो
disposed of this.
electrification का ये कर
Similar matters have been disposed of.
Your lordship, dispose of it.
I have already recorded that. Your lordship,
इसको भी
no, your lordship has recorded that submission also there.
No, this is identical, same area.
Same.
Counter setting.
Regarding disposal of that,
in the disposal matter, what order has been passed?
A direction has been given,
Please,
your lordship,
please.
to pay the compensation. Because your lordship, the area compensation has already been valued, your lordship. Your lordship has referred to that valuation report, which was passed by the R&B division, and since it was already admitted, hence the honorable court was pleased to give a
So
direction.
here is it admitted?
Yes, your lordship.
Where? Show us.
In page 21, your lordship, annexure 4,
serial 18.
serial 18.
NHA never admitted. Original landowners received their compensation.
Details of structures.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Only towards structure.
That has not been in that order. NHA was not received any notice.
May not be this. We are not passing
No,
positive order.
yeah,
We
it
only
is
for
not-
disposal
not
of representation.
That is what my lord has already recorded in that matter. That aspect also. Both the matters tagged together can take over, my lord. I have already filed a
But
count.
in a similar matter also, NHI had appeared, your lordship. It was in presence of the council.
But he has not received instruction. That is what he is saying.
Page 20 में clear है. NFI authority directed to take a collector work page 20. Take it.
No, that's all.
No decision has been taken. NHI to pay the compensation because the earlier original landowner already received their compensation.
It is already ye. The one which you have given there, already the valuation had been done, only payment was to be made.
Similar, your lordship.
Where is the valuation?
Here also in page 21, Your Lordship, the valuation has been done.
This is not
Oh, yes.
valuation.
This is recommendation.
Page 20, the recommendation collector mechanism the last bar. Considered by NHA authority. NHA.
Same case.
In the said letter, the FLHI gathering.
Same thing.
In the said letter, the NHI authorities were asked to take a decision for providing compensation toward the structure situated over the so-and-so who have been constructed and that so-and-so. Okay. So, I कहलु the structure value has been assessed so-and-so. एठी मध्य assessed है structure value. तापरे recommendation अच्छी याद है collector करो.
Page 20.
Page 20.
But there is no name. Please, 21 family is mentioned. Page 20 last para mechanism.
In view of the facts of the NHI authority, may take a decision providing sponsor. But it is covered by this. They are recording your name. Why they unnecessary?
My humble submission, my lord. The NHI has not filed any counter reply. In all the cases, Lord, some cases directive take a decision. In other cases, but because of this, my lord friend is bringing to my lord's notice. That has not been brought to my lord's notice. That's why Lord was directed to that case. That's why in subsequent case, my lord has directed to file counter. I have filed counter.
I do not understand what you are saying.
Originally, land was acquired in 2013.
Yes.
Land compensation was assessed and paid to the original landlord.
Yes.
Subsequently, after 20 years, now the present petitioner is saying that we have constructed a structure on the acquired land, therefore compensation be paid. The collector and the tahsildar, who has not the competent authority to decide the matter and take the assessment, he has said that it is recommended to consider the cases since they are unauthorized occupation and structure valuation may be paid.
Mr. Umesh Chandra Manti and his associates
He wants to file a counter for other purposes. So
filed the counter affidavit. There is the Okarat number for the NHI, which is take opposite party number 2,
Right.
which is taken on the board. The बाकी ये जो order था देखिए कि WCC issue notice to reside further. This matter be.
you were the counsel there. Order has been passed in your presence.
In that case, I have the counsel.
Yes.
This matter be listed along with WPC number 27505/2024. It is stated by the land counsel for the opposite party number 2 that counter affidavit has already been
Final copy, sir.
in this case, in that case, and copy has been served. Update the व्यक्ति को देखी देगा जी मैंने complete कर दिया. Due date थी उसे date कर दिया.
My lord film directed serve the copy on me. My lord,
For the land counsel. However, that similar matters have been disposed of in WPC number 1. So, but a disposal order of region, and it was directed to the council to pay the compensation. So, ये जो issue notice is she order टा करिए.
Your Lordship, in this case, I am appearing to
Yes.
P1, Your Lordship. Copy number 1, I am appearing, Your Lordship.
And the name of the land council for the NHIV reflected in the cause list. And who is appearing for the Union of
Copy
India?
number 1, Your Lordship, Sulojana Patra,
The
CJC.
party along with
Sulojana Patra.
here. And the lead put again. Yes, next.
Item 3.
As directed, my lord, I filed the application for IAS there. For IAS there. For change of nomenclature by the office.
7 to IA number 1627 of 2025 is an application for change of nomenclature from WPC to CREP. After going to the government statement in the interim application, the prayer in this interim application is allowed. Let the WPC be re-registered as CRLRE and be placed before the assigned bench. Yes. Interim order कौन थिला था?
What appropriate application file करले
जहाँ थिला सेटा कोटा कित केबे हितला
ଆପଣ କରିଥିଲେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ତାରିଖ
Date fix कर देंगे.
हाँ
Proceeding of state.
हाँ, ये जो ये लिखा है कि ऑर्डर डेटेड 22/1/2025 केबे डेट अछि केबे
এই 3 তারিখে ফিক্স করছেন
the Land and Council for this one to submit in the trial court. The next date is fixed 3rd of February 2025. If any, it is like if any application for adjournment which files on the order dated 22/1/2025 है ना assign bench कर दें तो पूरे date दे दिया उनको next week रो along with so and so है ना yes next
Well, another application goes to connected matters. ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଫେବୃଆରୀରେ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେଇଟା ବି ଯଦି କନଭର୍ସନ ହବ ତାହେଲେ ଆକର୍ଡିଂଲି ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଅଲସୋ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍
so जहाँ वो एक आगे ये जो उसे बोले से करेंगे yes next
Item 4.
अर्जेंट सर्टिफाइड कॉस्ट
Item 4, my lords, I may be pardoned to appear through VC, my lords. Lords, today's item,
yes item number 4
lords, today's item number 4 is that of similar to yesterday's item number 1, my lords. Just to give a short brief background, my lords, this is a case wherein we have been allotted a leased land, my lords. We have initially,
Yes, Mr. Sharma, we remember we had kept it.
yes,
for
it was,
taking
if it is for instruction from both the sides, the petitioner has to seek instruction as to whether they are ready and willing to pay the current valuation of the land.
Am I quoted the date point?
item number गतकाल ये केबे देखिलो गतकाल item
Hari Gupta something.
That is Hari Charan Gupta. Yesterday's item number 1 was Hari Charan Gupta. Both are brothers, my lord.
all right
List with corpus.
list with कर दो
Item 5.
right please the land for annexure 1 has acquired because Bolivarian area A and D Act 1957. What is your prayer in this petition? Repeats and the request under annexure 5 and 6 request and the second prayer is for direction to work out the measurement work and assessment of the structures of land under annexure 1 for the purpose of disbursement of compensation and other entitlements as per the RR policy. No, why this annexure 5 and 6 to be passed? Minded. What has been there? Why? The case of the petition is that. No, we come to annexure 6. Let us see that. Minded. That is the latest one. Okay. Minded. Demolition of honeycomb structures existing on land acquired by NCL in various locations of culture fields. With reference to the above cited subject, I am to say that the shifting demolition of honeycomb structures are being taken up as per the demands of the NCL operation. Honeycomb structure, minded? What is honeycomb structure? I also, minded, do not know. Why you filed the case? And you do not know, and you are unable to answer to the query of the judge. There is a language. आपन बोले जो letter टाको challenge करछन क्वास ହେଇची बोली सेठी लेखा ହେଇची demolition of honeycomb structure. We are asking you a pertinent question. What is the honeycomb structure? Does mean you said that you have no instruction. When you take instruction, what is it? What does it mean by honeycomb structure? High Court पूर्व रहती नवार ये थिला ना नहीं कौन से structure honeycomb structure माने the language was used by the NCL authority जे भी हो पचार थांते तांको केमती कौन instruction नहीं थांते honeycomb को मोर idea नहीं मात्र मोर के से या
तो मैंने से बी है तो honeycomb है तो है जो है ना चलो honeycomb but इधर कौन सी है
ये तो कौन लिखा है honeycomb structure लिखा है पर मोर के से या जे फॉरवर्ड नोटिफिकेशन पूर्व में लैंड किनिलु कन्वर्सन हला हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करलु कन्वर्सन फीस भी गवर्नमेंट को डिपोजिट करलु वर्तमान जने लैंड रो कंपनसेशन दे देले
କିନ୍ତୁ structure ର
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପକ୍ଷ
measurement
ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଜାଣିଥିବ ସେ structure କାରଣ ତା operating part ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି you are therefore requested to verify these structures by 15th December 2024 and schedule demolition of the non-residential so on so on so to make the acquired land enforcement free from unhindered mining so on so yes so that is the letter. So you have your land has been acquired.
my land has been
You have been received compensation also.
compensation was accepted
What further
with
you what
respect to
further
the
you
land
want?
is concerned.
What further you want?
But this for this structures
Structures.
for the
ସେଇ
structures further
structure
they
ଟା
are not-
କଣ ପରା ଆମେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଇ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି structure ର ଆମର valuation ହେଇନି ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି honeycomb structure ଆମେ ପଚାରୁଛି structure ଟା କଣ ଆପଣ
structure ଟା
କହିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଘର କରିକି ସେମାନେ
ଆରେ ବାବୁ ଘର ତ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ମାନେ ହାଉସିଂ ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ
ସେ-
ୱାର୍ଡ ୟୁଜ ହେଇଛି honeycomb structure.
honeycomb the word used by
It-
themselves ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛି
Take instruction on 3rd of February 2025. Yes. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜମିରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ପଚାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍ status quo ଟା ସାର୍ ରହୁ
we should got the
ନାଇଁ
clarity
ନାଇଁ ବହୁ
କଣଟା actually
ନାଇଁ ସେ ସେନ୍ସରେ ନୁହେଁ
ନାଇଁ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ନୁହେଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମହୁ ଫେଣା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଦୌ ନୁହେଁ
ସେଟା ନୁହେଁ ପରା ସିଏ ନିଜେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେ କଣ କହିବେ it is not that Google ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର honeycomb ସେ ଯୋଉ ସିଏ ନୁହେଁ ଅନ୍ୟ କଣ ଅଛି ସେଠି
Manner
Yeah.
the connected read petition WPC 7469/2021 manner in that case
Honeycomb.
same matters that language is not there but same
ଆପଣ ବୁଝିକିନି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିବାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ନାହିଁ ଯେ କଣ ଏ ଜିନିଷଟା ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର କେସ୍ ହୁଏତ ଅନ୍ୟ ଆସିପାରିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆସିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିବାର ଜିଜ୍ଞାସା ଥିବା ଦରକାର ନା ନାହିଁ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା କଣ
ନିହାତି ମୋର ବୁଝିବା କଥା
ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ 3ୟ ତାରିଖ
ଏଟା
3 ତାରିଖ ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବ
status quo in respect of
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବୁଝିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବେ yes next.
Item 6.
Sir, my repeats are allowed. Against that, especially petitions referred by the content notes, may if the mallet and lots of times also.
What is your writ petition order? Which you say that it has been allowed. What order was passed? 1704
Page 14,
of 2020.
Operating portion is at page 14, my lord. In the present case, the finding of Honor Tribunal that the petitioner had approved the tribunal after his retirement is nothing but non-application mind of the tribunal. The petitioner had approved the tribunal on number of occasions before retirement as indicated in aforementioned paragraphs. Thus, the finding of tribunal in the impugn order, so far as petition is concerned, is liable to be quashed and accordingly same is quashed. This writ petition is disposed of in terms of observation/direction given in aforementioned cases. Accordingly, this court directs that the petitioner should be treated to have been regularized in service at least 1 day prior to his superannuation by creating superannuation post, if necessary, and accordingly, he shall be extended with the pensioner's benefits as would be admissible to him. The entire exercise shall be completed within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of copy of this order. This order was subject matter before the Honorable Apex Court, my lord, in SLPC number 8876 of 2021, my lord.
Where is the order?
Annex 3, page 19.
Annex 3.
My lord.
There are disposal of 16/7/20.
16.7. I am reading my lord the order. In the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, we are not inclined to interfere with the impugn judgment. However, order passed by the Honorable High Court be implemented within a period of 3 months. Else, the respondent shall be at liberty to take recourse before the High Court.
So that means not only this court but the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court
My
order has also been
My lord.
flouted. Who is that man? No question of instruction. Let him appear. Who is to give you? No question. But saying, who is to appear?
To my lord, Mr. Suresh Chandra Maharan.
Suresh Chandra?
he is not
Maharana, who is to pay that money?
Energy department, man.
Opposite party ଶୁଆଂଶୁ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା ତାପରେ dismissal ହେଲା allow ହେଲା Supreme Court confirm କଲା
One thing I pray my Lord, at least next week I will take instruction. Any development in between that I will apply that.
contempt petition has been filed.
Around 29/11, the inspection has been called for.
This contempt petition has been filed by the petitioner Ramesh Chandra Sahu. Issued contempt proceeding against the contemner and for appropriate action as provided under the Contempt of Courts Act for deliberate and intentional violation, the order dated 3/2/2021 passed by this court in WPC number 17048 of 2013. The Land Council for the Election of placed the order dated 3/2/2021 in which this court, while deciding while adjudicating the challenge of the petitioner to the order dated 7/3/2009 passed by the London Central Administrative Tribunal, Cuttack Bench, Cuttack in OA number 846C of 2009 has been pleased to hold as follows. Quote paragraph number 11 and 12. Last paragraph 12 का लबादत करना है. The Land Council submits that the aforesaid order dated 3/2/2021 was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court by the state of Orissa in so-and-so case annexure 3, and after hearing the parties had order dated 16/7/2024, the following order was passed for this one. So it is stated by the Land Council for the petitioner that in spite of the order of this court, so also by the Honorable Supreme Court, the petitioner has not received the benefits as extended to him in the aforesaid order. The London Council for the petitioner submits that petitioner that contender opposite party number 2, Suresh Chandra Maharana, Chief Engineer, bracketary P, from CEI, bracketary G, Odisha, is the authority who is to carry out the order. The Land Council for the state submits that instruction has already been sought for.
instruction call for
Instruction has already been sought for from the consent of opposite party on 29th of 29th of
11 this month.
29th of
This office, the office of the AG has sought for the what action?
on মানে কালি গতকালি yesterday, that is on 29/1/2025, and the matter may be taken up a week after. This matter on 11th February 2025. On that day, the opposite party number shall appear virtually at 10:30. Hello?
Instead of central level, you'll also mention
State
level.
state
State level.
State tribunal. The copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council.
Item 7.
disposal of application under section 28/6 similar or
Yeah. Correction कर दीजिए
again.
एवढा 7 से 8 से 9 तीनटा 100 4टा
Item 11.
Item number 11. What has been challenged here was the letter of cancellation of lease under annexure 1. Jagannath Temple Office, Puri. Yes, please place that. Why this letter would be passed?
My lord, the petitioner was awarded with participated in the tender and he was awarded with a stone perimeter. For certain clearance took time and he could not operate the query for 2023 to 2024.
Yeah.
And the list it was executed wherein the plot number was wrong, for which a clarification, for which a direction was issued for correction of that list. Subsequently, that list was also corrected. And during that 2022-23, the petitioner could not operate the query for which a royalty was imposed.
Mentioning that this is not the assignment of this court, and why are you not mentioning that?
That this matter is relating to mines and minerals.
Exactly. So if it is not an assignment, we have no interest to hear. So you have to bring to a notice.
A mention is made on behalf of the Learned Counsel for the petition that the matter may be the matter is a single judgment matter.
No, division bench on your here.
They assigned.
The liquidation, the OGLS Act is not under the OGLS Act, so hence not the assignment of this court. So examine.
It's not the assignment of this court for them. Matter be placed before the Honorable Acting Chief Justice to assign the matter. The appropriate.
Examine
The all right, the
stamp reporter.
Sorry. The registry.
Registry.
The registry shall examine the same and place the matter before the assignment. Yes.
Item 12.
Item 12, may I please your lordship? My lord, I mean VC. The petitioner is the youngest daughter of late Dullabha Mahanto, who received her share under the Indian Succession Act from her father's property at village Mursua Milot, which is described in schedule below, and all her land has been submerged in Kanpur irrigation project, which she also received her share of paid under the compensation, including her homestead land, Milot. But she has not received the special packages which has been given to other land houses, Milot, in paragraph that is in different way, giving nursing training, ITI training, and as well as providing education according to their education qualification. They have to serve them service. So that has been not been given. So she made a representation which has been kept pending. So she came up in a writ petition earlier, WPC 9769 of 2024. This honorable court, which I have quoted the order, Milord, has directed that may be considered and disposed of in accordance with law. So the petitioners also asked for some relevant document under RTI, which has not been given. But under Annexure 9, they simply they simply rejected her prayer on the plea.
Not simply rejected, they have assigned the reasons.
Reason that she is a daughter, Milord. She is a daughter and she is not on. But
29.
Milord.
29.
Yes, they say. No, Milord, I have not since in VC, Milord, I have not got the annexures, Milord. I am sorry. I want the copy. So I am placing it that they have given the reason that she is the daughter.
Commencing from 10th of February 2025. Come to the court and argue the matter. If you have much difficulty, yes, next.
Item 13. Value taken up next week, madam.
Right. Next week.
Item 14.
So the opposite parties have directly purchased the land of the petitioner, but they have not given the value of the
Representation is pending before the collector.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Annexure 5 pending before the collector. That is opposite party number 2. No response has been received. Disposed of the bill. Yes, next.
Item 15.
Union of India appearance.
Union of India का
Alok Kumar वहाँ की senior candidate है.
फिर लिखा ही क्यों था BM
Yes.
item 15
My lord. My lord, the petitioners are challenging your lordship. The act of the opposing parties whereby the land of the petitioners have been acquired, but a portion of this is a direct purchase, my lord. This is not land acquisition. This is a direct purchase. And the lordship, the property belonging to petitioners, a portion of the compensation is going to be given to some other persons along with her. Absolutely, my lord, non-application of mine.
Where is your representation annexure 24
That your lordship may direct, but
आपके पे इटा देइछने
my lord. Your lordship, before that,
when you submitted this representation annexure 4
that is 24 2000
what is the date and
date प्रथम पेज रे लिखा है रिसीव भी करछन
24
2024
24 ना 22
नहीं 24
24 2024
आ गया
alright collector
ठीक है अगेन जस्ट your lordship may permit me only one line madam
representation to be disclosed yes next
my lord only one line I am some
मुझे page हो तब राष्ट्रीय next
नहीं till that date your lordship may protect me because they are going to disburse the amount
alright we see that next
my lord my interim prayer may be considered I have some grievance so I am submitting your lordship only one line only I will not take much time
appear before you
that your lordship may direct that till the
personal hearing दिया वो सब छोड़ा लिखा उसे yes item number
till the decision is taken on annexure 4 no disbursement even not to me
yes annexure number item 16
your lordship may permit that personal hearing and
सब रही होता है
and a time may be fixed for a decision to be taken.
3 मास भीतर देवे 2 सप्ताह भीतर order communicate सब रही
My lord, may I only small prayer, Lord.
item number 16
My lord, only small prayer.
yes
Lord's item
The
number.
order may be communicated. The order may be communicated through process of the court. My
you are to give it certified copy before yes item
Lord's item number 16 and 17 are covered matter.
give it
Item 18.
item 18 what is the prayer here that you have to petition गुड़ा को pending
Item 18 nobody there for it.
passport
something like that. The regional officer NHI has said that advance copy of the wherever NHI is a party, advance copy of the test shall be filed on me and Mr. S.K. Divedi.
कितने NHI चाहिए
Instructions to the High Court. So your authority has written to the High Court that we will direct that advance copy will be given.
No.
Then
Whenever matter is listing.
no. So
you appear you appear if NHI is a party then we'll see that yes yes next item 19
Item 19.
May I please your lordship? If the petitioner challenged annexure 1, the order filed by the assistant settlement officer purportedly in compliance of the judgment of the Honorable Court under annexure 8 and order on annexure 9, but totally ignoring the directions by the direction was to your lordship may kindly come to last page 65.
yes 65 from phone
65. The direction was a direction is issued to the ASO to now proceed to record the name of the petitioner concerning the land in question in his name in the ROR. In accordance with law,
these pieces have already been set aside Supreme Court order all this is नरोत्तम रथ केस था
Yes, sir.
सब set aside again सब individual case को सुनानी करिए को order है coming week राष्ट्रीय उड़ा सब dash again individual case को cyclo style order pass इतना उड़ा सब ये set aside है yes are you aware about it or not
No.
so not aware
Let it come on some other.
let this come the week after all these cases are listed next week maybe it will be coming on Monday. All those cases, because the direction was that individually all those cases are to be heard and the separate orders to be passed, because every case the factual scenario is different. So this order was set aside for also. Yeah. According to 10th of February. Yes.
Item 20.
Item number 20 and 21 also covered matters.
Yeah.
Item 22.
23 and 24.
Yes.
Sir, my lord, one prayer, my lord.
Correction जहाँ वो कर दीजिए.
My lord, first paragraph के change होगा.
हाँ जहाँ कर दीजिए, जहाँ कर दीजिए.
Item 25.
Suppose Mr. Bose made no relation. Like in item 25, as per the notice, no repudiate filed for the respondent opposite party number 3A, Your Lordship. As instructions from the petitioner, opposite party number 3 is promoted, Your Lordship. That's why I'm filing a memo regarding that to delete her name from the court list.
All right.
And her legal name is already in the record.
All right. All right. The office has pointed out that the requisites for PLR number 3A has not been filed. The land counsel for the petitioner has filed a memo. Yes.
Yes.
Indicating therein that the proposed legal heir and the opposite party number 3A is no more, and our proposed legal heirs are already on record, and therefore the name of opposite party number 3A may be deleted from the cost title. Memo is taken on record. Opposite party number 3A stands deleted from the cost title. Phrase consolidated cost title be filed. तब 3A को काटेगी ना, out of cost title file करूँगी.
Sir, I think cost title नहीं. यहाँ को proposed legal heir को notice वाला पर से अलग अलग पर आशियो पर से यार किस तरह में चली तो
order is consolidated provision. 3A. It accept is.
এটা 2019
accept is the not as PA ହଉଛି ସାବିତ୍ରୀ alias ସୁକାନ୍ତି ଦାସ. ସେଟାକୁ କାଟିକି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ସିଏ ମରିଗଲା ସେ ମାଟା ହେଇଥିବ
ସେ ସାବିତ୍ରୀଟା ମରିଗଲା ନା ସେ
ଏଗୁଡାକ ଆଉଥରେ ଯିବ ଏଇଗୁଡାକ
ସେମାନେ ତ ରେକର୍ଡରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାର ସେ କହୁନି ଏଥିରେ
ଇଏ ଯୋଉ ଏରୁ ଗୁଡା ଥିଲେ ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଗଲା ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଟା କଣ ଟାଲି କରୁନି ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଦବାକୁ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି just address of so and so ହଁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଆପଣ ଫ୍ରେଶ କରେକ୍ଟ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ରିକ୍ୱିଜାଇଟ୍ ଅନୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ୍ କପି ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ ହବ ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଟା ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି according to you that is the correct address.
This is the correct
address of the legal heirs 3C.
ସିଏ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଥିବ ସିଏ ଯଦି କହୁଛି ସେଟା କରେକ୍ଟ ଆଡ୍ରେସ
जो सहदेव कुंटा ना खंडपड़ा पीएस का चेंज ही जाई गोपालपुर.
Acha, all right. The registry has also pointed out that the address of the legal heirs 3C, 3D, 3E, and 3F in the requisites doesn't tally with the consolidated cost title. The Land and Council for the petitioner submits that the address of the legal heirs 3C, 3D, 3E, and 3F are correct, and that is the present address of those legal heirs. In view of such submission, the office shall issue notice to those legal heirs. That is 3C, 3D, so and so, 3F. In the address which has been furnished in the requisites. If it has to be accepted, then notice be issued for it.
Can I say one thing, my lord?
Yes,
My lord, in the meantime, we have received the information instruction from the petitioner that opposite party number 4. He is also normal. We will file
you have to file in
its lordship substitution.
जहाँ पड़ेगा
That's
ठीक है
next.
Item 26.
The number 1628 of 2025 filed by the petitioners for substituting of the legal heirs of petitioner number 1. As during pending of this writ application, the petitioner number 1 died. I have annexed the death certificate as well as the legal heir certificate. IA number 162.
So who are the legal heirs to be substituted?
My lord, I have given the
Where is that?
my lord at page annexure 2 of this IA, my lordship. At page number 6.
There should have been a schedule in the interim application which you have filed that they are the legal heirs.
My lord, I have mentioned in my paragraph 2 your lordship. 3 years. 5 consolidated.
No, the schedule to schedule.
You have filed a wakalatnama on their behalf. Have you filed?
No, my lord.
Why you are the petitioner? Why did you not file
My
them?
lord, there are 5 petitioners.
Yes.
The other petitioners are the legal or the family members. One of the family members.
So if one petitioner,
I'll file, my lord.
you're supposed to file a wakalatnama with the application so that they can be impleted. It is not that they are opposite parties that we will issue notice and it will be done. What is this? You have not given proper schedule.
Schedule में रंगा
लेखी की वन ये करेगी.
So, the land council for the petitioner 6 for an adjournment High Court.
Wakalatnama along with the schedules and we can consider.
Fix up.
Yes, yes.
For this matter, we commencing 10th of February 25. Yes.
Item 27.
Calculating that they have open in the calculator, but it is currently it is not in the pair. That's why I'm not have
Your schedule of amendment
given.
So have you given the copy? A notice must have been issued in this case or not issued. So if it is not issued, but state has already is there, you have served the copy of the writ petition. Have you served the copy of your interim application? So any objection to that? So good. IN number so and so is an application for amendment of the writ petition and for incorporating the schedule of amendment in the prior portion, which challenging annexure 5 is the order dated 8/2/2020 passed by the project director R&R Lower Software Irrigation Project. Copy of the interim application has been served on the Land and Council for the state, who has no objection to the prior made in the interim application. After hearing the Land Council for the parties going through the government statement, the prayer made in this one so is allowed to the schedule of amendment for the now shall be form the part of the writ petition and the Land Council for the petitioner shall file a consolidated writ petition
By Monday.
Within by next week. By next week, giving
Your original writ petition had 3 prayers. So you want this to be added as prayer number 2. Then what will happen to the prayer number 2 which is already there? That is consequential.
Once that is passed and
No. You are asking for an amendment. I am not on merits.
it should have been prayer number 4 Land and Council and
or you substitute prayer number 2. How can you have just read, see a prayer in the writ petition and look at your schedule
The
in the
schedule,
IA.
the schedule of amendment, you have stated that this should be prayer number 2.
And either
But
you
your
delete prayer number
prayer
2.
number 2 is already there. So it
And
should,
renumbered as prayer number 3.
So where is that?
Consecutively have
Where have you stated
stated,
renumbered? Yes. Schedule of amendment, where is it?
schedule I have not.
Schedule amendment is as per the schedule only.
ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ prayer ଟା incorporate ହବ ପରା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି Roman 2 ହିସାବରେ incorporate ହବ. The order dated so and so, ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି quash ହବ. ଆପଣଙ୍କର prayer number Roman 2 ର already ଗୋଟେ prayer in existence.
Distance and
ତେଣୁ it should be Roman 4 ହବ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି Roman 2.
ହବ ନହେଲେ substitute ହବ ଯାହା ସେଟା delete ହେଇକି substitute ହବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ file କୁ ହବ.
Consolidated.
Not consolidated. It can only be done as per your amendment, not that consolidated olga and amendment olga.
The Land Council for the petition seeks permission to withdraw this interim application to buy the better watch. Yes.
Item 28.
You quoted the content order here, Lordship. Thus you can find it at page 5 of the content application. Your Lordship will allow me to use the background.
What is this contempt application? Let us see.
File is not with me.
Hmm.
File is not with me. If you're not kind enough to pass it over to us.
आपने काली किला फाइल टा पर रोक दे.
The time. That's right. See now, but it's assigned to learned senior Mr. Naik. So, Lordship will kind enough to pass.
So Mr. Naik will come and do it.
Yes.
Say that.
वो 500 वर्ड
Yes.
Yes, next.
Item 29.
So Lordship will recommend that matter can be taken as 1 o'clock as the last matter, then I'll be there. Otherwise, I might be on my legs. So that's. You can pass over the content.
এটা কালি কি
Oh,
then let it be taken off next week. Tell us a date. It should be convenient to you. Monday or Tuesday. Monday would all get at least just Monday would a batch case for Tuesday. It up 4th of March free for Jari Gui.
Modern repetition.
Model repetition actually continue. 29 passable variable.
Item 30.
And उसकी अब फाइल का original but nothing is फाइल तो लेकिन भेजा कॉपी नहीं रावल की से रावल इफेक्ट गुड़ा कौन रिमूव करना कि ऐसे जिनिस era ଭିତରେ substantial ଗୁଡ଼ା କौन mobile phone ତାପରେ 11 number 1 14
Copy, need copy, not any file.
26 पेज पे लिखिए 26 27
So साथ भी और जो how we can ignore. देखो छोटे कोना capital letter और इधर file number. मोबाइल नंबर दे दो ना.
Okay, there is a noting that region are not received because you took some time on On 9/12/24, madam. On 9/12/24. 9/12/2024. Have you received the copy?
The receipt part is not there in the record, madam.
Just a minute.
It is not there in the. I'll
Copy the same.
will copy the receipt, collect another.
Check. When is the receipt number? You check it.
All right.
Be there.
The learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Malik, submits that he has already filed the rejoinder affidavit on 9/2/2024. 9/12/2020. And also served copy on the land council for the state. Let the registry place the rejoinder affidavit on record and stop. Land council for the state submits that the rejoinder affidavit has not been tagged to be filed. The matter may be taken up next week. Next week. Not on 4th, on 5th. On 5th of February 2025.
Item 31.
One minute. Highly written note of submission. Rather than direction of filing.
Madam, before my brother could start, can be taken up on next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Madam.
What about you are telling about this written note of synopsis and ground?
Synopsis ground head no करके I have filed it, but with the under the heading written note of submission only. The synopsis, synopsis and grounds are filed, but under the heading written note of submission. My written note of submission filed.
No, but the noting is that written note of submission by opposite party number 1. Perhaps Mr. Tripathi is appearing for opposite party number 1.
Madam.
Are you appearing for opposite party number 1?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
So there was a direction for filing written note of submission by
Madam,
you.
by Monday, madam, I'll file it. You also may take it up on Tuesday or Wednesday.
All right. All right. Mr. Tripathi, Land Council, Land Senior Advocate, appearing for the NTPC, submits that the written note of submission will be filed on 3rd of February 2025, and the matter may be adjourned to any date thereafter. On consensus of both the parties, place this matter on 5th February 2025.
Madam.
Mr. Tripathi.
You heard your
Madam.
ground?
The ground is, madam, there is no post nowadays. And that's it, madam, we have requested the
Row.
and my lord, there is a direction by the Supreme Court also, my lord, to give. Well, I'm sorry, my lord.
The High Court.
I'm sorry, my lord. By next day, my lord, it will be there.
All right.
Item 32.
That synopsis my in 31. Synopsis and ground noting.
Take it, अच्छी तो ठीक है.
Item 32. I'm applying for the Union of India.
Where is the council for the? If the Mahanti is the Aurobindo Mahanti for? What do you say?
My lord, I prepared the counter, but my lord, the department has supplied me the document which is not legible, for which I am unable to file it. So my lord, I'm paying only for 1 week time to file the sale.
Aurobindo Mahanti portal. What portal?
Yeah, the time on that is not.
And non-appears portal. Mr. Deepak Gochaya, Land Central Government Council submits that though the counter affidavit is ready, but the documents which have to be annexed to the said counter affidavit are not legible, and some time may be granted to file the counter affidavit with legible annexures. Put up this matter in the week commencing 10th of February 2025. Let the counter affidavit be filed in the meantime, serving a copy on the Land Council for the petition.
Item 33.
We have received the Paraway's comment, then we will file the counter.
Which, when I done more than 6 months and you ask, they are not filing
And
complaint.
ensure that it is filed.
Aguru time needs to
Last
three times they have been
18, 12, 24, we have prayed for time.
What about notice to OP5?
postal camping report we obtained लिखा है इसमें।
What is it? What is it?
He died. Just so notice return of here.
Yes, to take steps
That
of
is his
substitution.
name.
Otherwise,
So you are the petitioner. Now you have made one Doitari Naik as opposite party number 5. Now the notice was issued and the report is that the addressee is dead. So you have to take steps for the substitution of the legal heirs of the opposite party number 5.
then why had you taken notice? You've written perform opposite parties, but you have taken notice. If you don't want to substitute, we can write that it will be at your risk.
He was a party in that revision case number 577 of 1986, which order you are challenging here, which was disposed of by the ADM Bhubaneswar. So how you can leave the legal heirs and will adjudicate the case in his absence, in our absence, he's dead, but in the absence of the legal heirs of the state of us, his legal heirs. Time may be allowed to make substitution in this, right? Because the place of legal.
Oh, he was the original lessee. It is apparent from annexure 2.
He's the original lessee.
This is your wasteland lease case. Page 23 is Doitari Naik, number of cases arising out of this Doitari Naik's lease. How do we give it?
It is Doitari Naik na paragraph to actually.
original lease. That women should finish it.
Ground ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଆ ହେଇଛି ଯେ ତାକୁ
Chance of hearing the
the ground of misrepresentation, mistake of facts, procedural irregularities, legal infirmities by giving opportunity of answer. ଏଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ନିଆ ହେଇଛି ସେଗୁଡାକ accept ମାନେ consider ହେଇକିନା order pass ହେଇଛି ତେଣୁ entire ଦିଟା ହଉଛି substitute opposite party. Take instruction with RDF.
Take instruction whether you want to substitute or delete. It will be at your risk.
If you will delete, there is no effect on this.
That you have to file an affidavit, we can consider that. For a
The as per order dated 18/12/2024, we directed to obtain the postal tracking report relating to the service of notice on opposite party number 5, Doitari Naik. Stop. The report has come that the notice issued to opposite party number 5 returned on delivered with postal remark inverted comma within addressee is dead comma so return to sender inverted comma and stop. The land counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction whether he intends to substitute the legal heirs of the aforesaid Kokuma opposite party number 5. Doitari Naik. Yes. of this matter, we commence in 10 तारीख ले रखेंगे along with further WPC numbers one से तादेर मध्य से ही रिपोर्ट आसी बोले opposite party numbers one थोड़ा सबूत से ऑर्डर लेके जावे WPC number 26109 से या 28176 से या सबूत से opposite party है ना और देखिए similar order to be passed and these matters should be along with Ignacio ना 10th of
তিনটা পুরোনো রিপিটিশন ফাইল সোসাইটি লিস্ট
પછી
মানে সার্টিফিকেট দিয়ে যায় ସେମାନେ ଆଗରୁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିବେ ସେଟା ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ଯେତେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିବ ଟାଇପ କରୁଛ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇଟଲ ଅଫ ଦ ରିପିଟିସନ ରେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ର ଅଛି
ଗୋଟେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ
ହଁ
ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
Request order.
କେସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇଟଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ଅର୍ଡର
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିପିଟିସନ ରେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇଟଲ ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏଇ କେସ୍ ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତରେ ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ରିପିଟିସନ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ରେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ର କପି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଭେଲେବଲ ଅଛି
ଅଛି
ତ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ବୋଧେ ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ
କନସର୍ନ କେସ୍ ରେ ସବୁ
Next
ଯୋଉଟା
date ରେ
ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆନେସରି କନସର୍ନ କେସ୍ ତିନିଟା ଯାକ କେସ୍ ରେ
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 34.
No, it's not Dolakum. It has got nothing to do. 34. What I'm assailing before your lordship is an order under section 3B, resuming my petitioner's land. That is at page 44 of the brief. Yes, it has got nothing to do with Narottam Ratho. Come to that order number 1, 29/8/2024. Let her place. Mr. Mukherjee, let her place order for.
This matter is taken up through hybrid arrangement. During course of argument, Mr. R.N. Mishra, learned additional government advocate appearing for the state, referred to the order dated 2/7/2024 under Annexation 9, which reveals that basing on the order of this court, field inquiry was conducted by the Revenue Inspector Chandrika in mutation case number 5899 of 2024, by later number 2913 dated 11/3/2024. Accordingly, by letter number 291 dated 19/3/2024, the Revenue Inspector Chandrika reported that the land is in possession of the petitioner, lying fallow with boundary wall, and the same is not used for agriculture purposes. Learned senior advocate appearing for the petitioner, on the other hand, drew the attention of this court to Annexure 5, which is the inquiry submitted by the Revenue Inspector Chandrika, dated 30/3/2024 to the Tehsildar Bhubaneswar in connection with WL case number 1278 of 1974 and WA number 1615 of 2023 with petition case number 1246 of 2023. It is apparent that the mutation case number reflected in Annexure 5 and in Annexure 9 appears to be different. Let the learned counsel for the state produce the report of the Revenue Inspector Chandrika in connection with the mutation case number 5899 of 2020.
Thereafter, it was heard on 2 or 3 occasions by your lordship. Connection and intent to file by way of an affidavit, then submitted as per the order, you file the affidavit, then
context.
This annexure 3 which you have annexed, they are your contention before the division bench.
Yes.
Was that
Based on Narottam Ratho, the matter was allowed.
yes?
Yes.
No?
Direction to mutate the land was
So
allowed.
what has happened to the Narottam Rath case?
Narottam Ratho case has been reversed by the Supreme Court
Yeah.
on the ground
Yeah.
that
But
each of the cases were not individually heard.
that is coming to next week. So it will come next
No,
week.
this has got nothing to do because they have not challenged this order passed in the writ appeal before the Supreme Court. And notwithstanding that order of the Supreme Court, what Supreme Court has also observed in its judgment is what is the route that you have come through.
Those matters are coming on Monday. All those matters. Put up this matter on Monday along with the batch of cases. ସବୁ case
এটা কিন্তু 3B অর্ডারটা চ্যালেঞ্জ করব নরোত্তম দত্তর তাঙ্কর ইয়ার কম্পোজ করে
we have to try to this mathematical ସବୁ ତ case ଗୁଡାକ ଯୋଉଟା
The Lordship also records that my submission that this has
ସେଇଦିନ
got
କହିବେ
nothing
ନା
to do
ଆମେ
with
ତ
Narottam.
ଜଷ୍ଟ କହୁଛୁ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅଫ୍ କେସ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ଆସିବ
ନା ବ୍ୟାଚରେ ହଜିଯିବ ନା ସେଇ
ନା ହଜିବନି ସେଟା ସବୁ ସେପାରେଟ ନମ୍ବର ହେଇକିନା ଅଛି କାରଣ the direction was that it should be individually considered. It's not that ସେ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେଟା ସେଟା ସାଇଡ୍ ହେଇଛି. Now it is to be considered
in the case where the land has been settled by the additional ADM under section 783. So after he has done that, Tahsildar cannot touch it.
Yes, item 35.
Item 35.
Item number 35, I am for the opposite party, Your Lordship. 1 week time, Your Lordship, the council, if the agenda is articulated.
Lord, Your Lord, so order number 1, Your Lordship, kindly have glance, sir. Interim application is pending, Your Lordship. After serving 11 years, Your Lordship, I am out of job, Your Lordship, in view of the impugned order, Your Lordship.
So if you are out of job, what interim application is that?
The revival order is stated, Your Lordship.
No, interim application कौन फाइन फाइल करते?
The revival order of the termination that has been issued.
That is your final prayer.
My Lord, but
the final prayer had what?
But Your Lordship,
relief can be granted.
But Your Lordship, kindly have a glance on the first order, Lordship.
Counsel for the opposite party submits that takes some further time to file the counter affidavit.
Counter already clearing completed, Your Lordship. Counter ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ return ଦେଇସାରିଛୁ.
2 days before they have given us the rejoinder.
Yes.
Need time for instruction as well.
Acha, the learned counsel for the opposite party submits that 2 days back they have received the rejoinder affidavit filed by the petitioner and instruction has been sought for and the matter may be taken up next week.
1 week after.
Acha, a week after. This matter will be commencing from 10th February 2020.
On 11th.
Your name please.
Avinash.
Avinash Bari.
Right.
On 11th, I pray.
Power nahi on behalf.
On behalf of
Mr. Subir Palit, no?
Shashi Bhushan Jain.
Shashi Bhushan Jain.
Yes.
I pray on 11th
of February 2025.
Oh, bless.
Item 36.
May it please, Your Lordship, I am appearing on virtual court. I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I am for the police part number 2.
Your Lordship, this is a case where I have challenged the order of the Orient, wherein the Orient has rejected my petition for waiver of statutory payment of statutory dues.
Have you filed your counter affidavit?
No.
So, you don't want to file any counter affidavit. You accept all the government.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
they orally object that the contention they have taken that they do not come under the purview of.
No. If you do not have to counter it, then the prayer will be allowed.
Then it will not take some time.
Before he has prayed to pass the order dated 18/11/2024, passed by Swan. So the governments have been taken, and you are not controverting the same by filing the counter affidavit. So the prayer will be allowed.
May I beg your pardon, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, my learned friend is appearing for Biren Kumar Sahu.
who had no prayer against me before the learned adjudicating authority. And I have come interpreting the statute that I am not liable to pay any.
We should file the counter affidavit here.
Well, none of them, Your Lordship. They are not at all. This is a matter between the court and the petitioner, Your Lordship. They had no claim against me.
Kumar Sahu,
Kumar Sahu,
who is appearing just Secretary Real Swan from Pakirella, Odisha Homes Commercial Fund.
Secretary को notice issue नहीं है.
हाँ, मैं secretary. But the opposite party number 3. Opposite party number 3 पाई जाइए notice ना.
Undelivered notice back. So fresh notice has been taken.
You have entered appearance for opposite party number 2. Satyam Das Patnaik.
Siddharth Radhakrishnan.
Huh?
Siddharth Radhakrishnan.
Siddharth Radhakrishnan. Your name is Siddharth Radhakrishnan. Mr. Siddharth Radhakrishnan, Land Council, is present for opposite party number 2. However, it appears that the AD has been received from opposite party number 2 after valid service. Mr. So has already entered appearance for opposite party number 2. So far as opposite party number 3, Messrs. Odisha Homes Commercial Private Limited is concerned, the notice has written with endorsement left. The Land Council for the petitioner shall file correct address of the opposite party number 3 and fresh requisites for issuance of opposite party number 3. Unutilized copy be utilized.
Lordship, this is the address which has been given in the judgment, and he has appeared. The opposite party number.
He has left that place. He is now staying at some other place.
Your Lordship, may I be permitted? He was in jail custody.
We do not know whether he is in jail custody or somewhere. You have to file.
Your Lordship. Oh, please.
May we be permitted to intervene in this matter, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, by mistake, my lord, my power could not be filed in this case. My learned associate is there, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, the writ application itself is not maintainable, my lord.
Who are you?
For the, my lord, OP.
Which OP?
No, my lord.
Which
my lord.
Two is senior, but his name could not be entered in the.
No, that is all right. So 2 persons cannot submit for the same party.
All right. Next item number.
Item 37.
Made petition, I am appearing in VC. On behalf of Ms. Mishra, I pray that the matter be adjourned to next week.
The Learning Council for the petitioner is present. The Learning Council for the state submits that counter affidavit has already been filed. Let the registry place 1500 for. Have you received the counter affidavit copy?
No, Your Lordship, I'll take it from the court.
Let a copy of the counter affidavit be served on the Learning Council for the petitioner. If you intend to file any rejoinder, you can file it. We are keeping this case to 17th of February 2025.
Obliged, Lordship.
February 2025.
You are appearing on behalf of Ms. Mishra?
Yes, Lordship.
Say that. Power nahi.
Saswajana appearing for Samapika Mishra. Submits. Yes, next.
Item 38.
My lord, item 38 and 39 may kindly take up for next week, my lord.
Next week. Lakshmi Sharma, Land Council, appearing for the petitioner. 6 for an adjournment. You have received the copy of the writ petition. Have you filed the counter affidavit?
Pardon, my lord, I am really unable to hear, my lord. May kindly take up item 38 and 39
No, we are
on
adjourning,
next week.
but we just want asking that in order number one, the notice has been issued, perhaps an interim order has been passed. So we are asking the State Council whether he has filed any counter affidavit or not.
Counter affidavit has not yet been filed. Looking at the plate, it can be disposed of for disposal of the annexure 3. That is the application of the petitioner to allot a land in the
All right, she is seeking for an adjournment. It is come. You want it next week or for it?
My lord,
All right.
my lord, may kindly take up next week, my lord.
Lakshmi Sharma appearing through virtual mode. Yes, next.
Item 40.
Order dated I am appearing today for OP number 2 and 3. I pray for being time to file a so cause.
Locus has already been filed
That
by
has been filed by
opposite
OP
party
number
number
5.
five. It's a contempt application.
My lord. My lord.
So you are to carry out the order which has been passed by this court.
What information I have received today is, in the meantime, they have filed a SL. I will file the copy with that and.
All right, the
This status may be submitted. I will sub.
हाँ वही वैसे ही कौन Mr. Rakesh Sharma and his associates filed power for opposite party number
2 and 3.
2 and 3, which are taken on record. He submits that he intends to file a so cause affidavit. However, submits that the order dated 23/4/2024 of the court passed in WPC number 14457 of 2021, against which in connection with this contempt petition has been filed, is now challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court, and he will produce the relevant documents in substantiating such filing. Of this matter, keep it up to your own.
Next week,
এটা ଆଣିବା କଥା ଅର୍ଡରଟେ ଯଦି ହେଇଥିବ ନଚେତ ଆପଣ ଯଦି SLP number ଯାହା ବି ହଉ, so let it be taken up on 10th. You also take instruction.
So far as my knowledge is concerned, no SLP has been filed.
Yes, maybe we are recording this.
My lord.
10th of February 2020. Yes. How can I achieve?
The password fill out.
The Passover matter will be taken up next week. That's on Monday. Right?
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Wait, please, my lords. I'm appearing virtually, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, herein the appellant has been convicted under section 302/201 of IPC, my lords, wherein she has been at page 42 is the substantial portion of the judgment, my lords. She has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and pay a fine of 10,000.
bail and stay relation of fine to be considered after receipt of the trial court report. The position copy to be supplied to the land council for the state in the meantime. Yes.
Obliged, my lords.
Item 2.
Yes, you have not surrender certificate.
One bill to censure. The order has been passed.
Yeah.
Most left of the judge take order.
That period has not expired.
Not
Kebe jaichi.
Yeah, that is not with me, but 7-11 he has taken the order from me. Thereafter.
But he has been released, come out of the jail or not?
No, he has been released.
The so we are keep giving ଯଦି 11 ରେ ଯାଇଥିବ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 12 1 2 ଏଟା 3 ମାସ ପାଇଁ ତ 12 1 2 ହେଲେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ରେ ପକେଇବେ the land and council for the appellant submits that though the interim bail order was passed on 1/10/2024 in IA number 808 of 2019, but he has instruction that the appellant was released from custody after furnishing the bail bond in the month of November 2024. And therefore, the period of interim bail has not yet expired. In view of such submission, list this matter in the second week of March 2025. The Land and Council for the appellant shall produce the surrender certificate.
Item 4.
The lawsuit report regarding as well of interim bail and surrender of appellant has been called for last time. As per instruction, in the meantime, petitioner already surrendered and he is in Kyonjhar jail.
Flag B. The report is at flag B.
Yes, surrender. Peruse the report furnished by the Land and Trial Court, from which it appears that after availing the interim bail period, the appellant has surrendered on 6/1/2024. All right.
6/11.
Oh, sorry, 6/11/2020. Yeah.
Item 5.
Add into the hearing list.
May I please your lordship?
In the last occasion, the lordship had directed the state council to take instruction as to the interim bill filed by the appellant
On the medical ground,
on the medical ground. That instruction is still
mother of the petitioner is serving from so and so.
yes.
Yes, what happened?
I request some more.
So next week,
You had earlier been released on interim bill. You have surrendered. What is this noting?
And that is
Surrender reports?
other
Acha, all right.
as per this petitioner, he has
Okay.
from.
Okay.
so let it come on 5th of
5th of
your get the London Council for the IA number 301 2024. The London Council for the state 6 or more time to obtain instruction as per the order dated 13/1/2025. Place this matter on 5th February 2025.
Item 6.
Directed to submit criminal antecedent report as well as custody certificate. With custody certificate, I have received for criminal antecedent. I require some.
Take some time to produce the custody certificate to also the
My custody certificate produced. Oh, last order.
No bar of the
Custody to पड़े criminal antecedent पे अपने time दरकार.
time the
1 week.
London Council for the state has produced the custody certificate of the petitioner obtained from Swan So jail for the jail superintendent. As per the order dated 9/12/2020, however, she submits that she is yet to receive instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the appellant, and the matter may be 1 week time may be granted.
5th year.
Yes, release this matter on 10th of February 2025. Data custody certificate is taken on the court. California jails for criminal investigation.
My lord, in criminal appeal 177 of 22, my lord,
This is to come along with one suit. CRL number 177 of 2020. Yes, next.
Prayer for interim bill, my lord, let them take instruction on my medical certificate that wife of
Aguru order pass hitla na nahi?
first time, my lord,
Just a minute. Eta dekhi.
this application was filed, my lord, on 24/12/2020.
177 of 2022 re କିଛି interim application ପାଇଁ order କିଛି pass ହେଇନି ତାର। ଆପଣଙ୍କର interim application number ଟା କେତେ?
3375 of
ନାଇଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ IA number second that ଲେଖିବେ CRL number 177 of 22 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି IA number 3375 of 2024. This is an application for interim bail on the ground of ailment of the wife of the appellant. Medical documents have been annexed to the interim application. Copy of the interim application has been. Madam, you have received the copy. IA 3375 of 24. Second, CRLS number 177 of 2022 re.
That copy is not there.
My lord, on the very day it was not acknowledgement to you. I can serve
Give
another copy.
London Council for the state, led the London Council for the appellant serve a copy of the interim application with all the medical documents annexed there to the London Council for the state in course of the day. We shall obtain instruction on the interim application. Matter listed in the week commencing from 10th of February 2025.
Item 7.
Right. This is an interim application. Well, also last 2 occasions, the state government council take instruction with regards to antecedent 2003 of 2023. No. What instruction was sought for? Criminal antecedent.
The criminal antecedent as well as the
status of the 2 children.
2 children.
2 children, one is a boy and a female.
I say let you know next week.
Next week. Dowry taken time. Dowry death case.
No.
Killing of mother or what?
Killing
of wife. Killing of wife.
Mother of the children.
Mother of the children. So, all right. Land count IA number 2003 of 2023. The land council for the state submits that he has received instruction that the petitioner appellant has no criminal antecedent.
We have not received the
अरे
instruction.
वो criminal antecedent भी ना instruction. अच्छा, he is yet to receive the instruction in terms of the order dated 25/11/2024, and the matter may be taken up next week. Put up this matter on 5th of February 2025.
Item 8.
I prefer an adjournment.
What is your good name, Land Council?
After the next
Is Jana, Land Council, appearing for the appellant, 6 for an adjournment. Obviously, yeah.
Item 9.
Challenges order dated 8/6/2022 passed by the session of
What is this interim application 28 of 2025?
The petitioner is the outsider who belongs to Madhya Pradesh and the father old
এটা কোন মানে মেরিটরে শুনানি ପାଇଁ ফাইল କରିଛନ୍ତି না interim base?
listed and you will see director. I also get to file a interim application for initial custody.
ନା ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଟା ଜେଲ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆପିଲ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ interim application ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ ପାଇଁ ତ ଆଚ୍ଛା
No IPS is there outside.
ଆଚ୍ଛା outsider
Outside, yes. Madhya
Okay.
belongs to Madhya Pradesh.
ହଁ ତ
Old father and mother and two children.
डिपोजिशन कॉपी ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି
Yeah.
ପେପର ବି ରେଡି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତ 2023 ର ତାହେଲେ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯଦି କେସ୍ ମେରିଟରେ ହେଇପାରିବ ଆପଣ ପେପର ବୁକ୍ ପାଇଯାଇଥିବେ
Paper because
ହଁ
that
is it a case based on circumstantial evidence?
IA copy is not with us.
I copy ଟା ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
Given a copy, another copy.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକରେ ନବା ଆଜି କପିଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ IN number 28 of 2025 and what is the custody period you said?
You will see custody is 10/7/2017 years. More than 7 years, 6 months.
all right କୋଉ ଜେଲ ଅଛି
Technology.
ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳ the IN number so and so this is an application for interim bail. Let a copy of the interim application be let copy of the interim application has been served on the Land Council for the state stop. Since both the Land Council have received the paper book, they submit that the matter may be taken off next week for consideration of the bail application. In the meantime, release this matter on 5th February 2025. In the meantime, the Land Council for the state shall produce the custody certificate. Obtain the custody certificate. ढेंकानाल जेल लगी रही संस्थान.
Item 10.
Yes, Mr. Roy.
There are two cases. In first case, I am appealing.
The second case is there. We appointed Mr. Saubhagya Ketan Naik as amicus curiae. Hariji.
That was not admitted. That was delayed there in that.
Therefore, we appointed someone to argue this matter. Is he aware or not aware? Just Mr. Naik, just give a ring to Mr. Saubhagya Naik. If there is a matter where he has been engaged as amicus curiae, why is not appearing? You are in the first matter. What do you say?
My lord, here, my lord, the petitioner was convicted for lies. And UW 2 and 6 are the eyewitnesses.
Just a bit. Mr. Pradhan, you have got the deposition copies with you.
My lord.
Because paper book has already been prepared, so it is up. Okay.
UW2, my lord.
Just a minute. Just here in the 30 of 2023. What is the name of the deceased?
Deceased, my lord, Kapinder Singh.
Huh?
Kapinder Singh.
Kapindra.
Yes, K. Kapinder.
Kapinder, D-A-R.
D.
Kapinder Singh. Date of occurrence के वे?
Date of occurrence 5/9/2018.
Okay, 5/9/2018. And you have been found guilty under 302.
Yes.
So there are two accused persons,
Yes.
both of them are being.
Yes.
302/34. What about 323/34?
323, my lord, the PW2 is the injured and he sustained simple injury.
So that is, he was also found guilty, both of you.
Yes.
So this PW2 is an eyewitness to the occurrence.
Yes.
Is the sole eyewitness or other witness?
PW2 and 6.
PW2 and PW6
Yes.
are the two eyewitnesses.
Yes.
Who is the doctor who conducted
Doctor PW12, my lord.
PW12 is the doctor, PM doctor. So let us see what PW2 has stated,
My lord.
how the occurrence took place.
May I place my lord?
Yes, paragraph 2 ta padho.
Paragraph 2. At the relevant time, I, along with my deceased brother, had been to Wheeler Munda Basti as he had some work in the said village. While returning, both the accused person abused me and my brother in Hindi language. Thereafter, both the accused person dealt fist blows to me. When my deceased brother intervened, both the accused persons dragged him down and assaulted mercilessly by dealing fist blows and kicks. Out of fear, I ran away from the spot, called my sister-in-laws Kali Devi and Madhuri Devi. We three then went to the spot. We found the accused person were assaulting my brother by means of stone on his head, face, and face. Seeing us, the accused person fled away from the spot.
Okay, now you come
Now,
to the
now my lord, 6 also
same.
same.
What is the doctor's evidence?
Doctor, my lord, there is only 2 injuries.
Come to PW12.
PW12, my lord. Yes. On
Okay.
external injury, my lord.
One lacerated wound on the right parietal bone.
Yes.
2 half-inch into 1 inch. Another lacerated wound on the right temporal 2-inch, half-inch one. So multiple abrasions over the body. Okay, then internal injury and dissections also. Organ of the chest such as larynx, pharynx, esophagus were intact, so on so stomach were intact. Skull, skull injury. On dissection of skull, lacerated wound, deep brown, colored irregular punch, so surrounding ecchymosis was found. All the injuries are antenatal in nature. Cause of death, neurohemogenic shock due to the scalp. Scalp injury, जो पत्थर जो
and in cross also the doctor says the injuries are possible by accidental fall on hard and blunt surface.
No,
Is the material that there is hard and there is a fall? Any material for that?
Jason Labodaba. Paragraph 3 of the doctor's evidence is that weapon was also sent regarding possibility of injury, and he has opined that it is possible. So,
and they have not taken any undue advantage.
What undue advantage?
Only 2 injuries. There is no specific allegation, and custody near about 6.5 years.
What is your track report?
No antecedent.
Criminal antecedent? नहीं किसी.
He has not received.
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଣ୍ଡଟା ହଲେଇଲେ ଆମେ କଣ ଜାଣିବୁ ଆପଣ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ କଣ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ ରେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଲଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଧେ. So you have not obtained. All right. So you obtain it. Let us see that whether there is any criminal antecedent. IA JCRL number 30 of 2023, IN number so and so for bail. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody for more than 6 years.
More 6 years, yes.
More than 6 years. He further submits that he has instruction that the appellant is having no criminal antecedents. Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction in that respect. List this matter we commencing 10th of February. Okay. Along with JCRL number 210 of 2024. कौन है ला ये Mr. Saubhagyan Naik?
I contacted Mr. Naik. He is out of station. So praying for the next week or tomorrow.
All right. ठीक है. 10th से खाली जॉइन देवे 10 2 रे आसी हला. Yes, next.
Item 11.
Very good. But for my lordship, last order I supply deposition copy to the launch rental sanction. Then
So you have received the deposition copy.
I have received the deposition copy, but the file is not with us. That is the Mr. Prabhubasan Behra. So I place a
file asini. Anukar Mongolwar dinam the Land Council for the state seeks for an adjournment till next week. Put up this matter on 4th February 2024.
Item 12.
May I please, Your Lordship? I'm appearing to virtual mode, Your Lordship. Pursuant to the order dated 16. Yes, Your Lordship.
Council for
May I please, Your Lordship? I'm appearing to virtual mode, Lordship.
Is there any criminal antecedent? How many cases? 8 cases.
Lordship will file a comprehensive affidavit.
The Land Council for the IN number so on. So this is an application for bail as per the order dated 16/1/2025. The Land Council for the state has produced the written instruction regarding the criminal antecedent of the petitioner, from which it reveals that there are as many as 8 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Have you got the list, madam, with you?
No, Your Lordship.
Please collect it, or Mr. Just send you. The Land Council for the state submit that you will supply a copy of the list of cases. The Land Council for the appellants. Stop. Let the Land Council for the appellant obtain instruction regarding the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit in that respect. Put up this matter. How much time you want?
1 week, Your Lordship.
Time those February. It are taken on record for them.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 13.
Order dated 10/9/24. Custody certificate and criminal antecedent was sought for my lord.
I'm submitting the custody certificate for criminal antecedents. I may request some more time.
Which jail? Which police station?
Bhuvneshwar.
Oh, then can come. The Land Council for the IN number 2108 of 2024. This is an application for bail. Land Council for the state has produced to the certificate. The appellant, which is taken on record, which submits that she is yet to receive the instruction regarding criminal antecedent. Can it be taken up next week?
Next week.
Put up this matter on 5th February 2020.
I pray my lord, I take the LCR copy to a pen drive.
How pen drive?
The lordship will direct.
One more prayer. The last petitioner, Land Council for the appellant submitted, given us the copy of the deposition, but somehow that is misplaced. Can I be given?
Why are you not taking in pen drive? ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ କାହିଁକି ସେ ନିଜେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ପାଖରେ ବି ନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ପେନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭରେ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର FIR ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଜିନିଷ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ the Land Council for the petitioner submission that may be supplied with the copy of the brief in the pen drive. ଆଜି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। एटा नेक्स्ट वीक आसीबो ताले आपण केवल तो क्रिमिनल एंटीसीडेंट आनिबो हला तो 5th year 2020